still there today. It's now a doctor's surgery. And in fact, as we look at the building, even the bit to the left of the porch that we see now is not original. That was built in 1929 to house the resident director. But it still lives there today, but not the same resident director as the one in 1929. So we have Lawrence Washington's manor house. He was a Tudor gentleman. Tudor gentlemen loved showing off, and he does this with his house. And no doubt you're all mightily impressed by the fact that Lawrence could afford some red bricks. In Tudor times, red bricks were new building materials. Each brick had to be handmade, of course. The only place you'll see them here are on the chimneys, up there. Lawrence could afford some red bricks, so he had them put on the highest point of his house, so that everyone from around the district could see he could afford red bricks. Anyone passing by could look over and say, look, there's a rich man's house, it's got red bricks. The roof, as you can see, is made of stone. These are stone tiles, stone cut thinly, and you can probably tell they're not old. The